As basically I had come here to give a representation to the Chief Secretary regarding the complaint which we have lodged. I have lodged against Churchill Brothers Private Limited. जो fraudulently way he has misused the funds of the government by providing false information. Then last 2 दिसान his whole जो स्कॅम त्याने जो तयार केला फुटबॉलाच्या नावार जे पैसे उबारल्या without having anything with him, neither a company, neither having utilization certificate given, the way he has utilized money from Goa Football Development Corporation GFDC or from SAG. आज सगळे हे जे हांवें पॉयंट्स काडिल्ले and the whole thing which was exposed as far as scam is concerned, surprisingly the government is acting जशें म्हजे कलिग्स म्हणटा ते 3 माकोड आसता, दोळे दापिल्लो, तोंड दापिल्लें आनी कान दापिल्लो, मोनो, कुड्डो आनी बेड्डो. सद्या सरकारान ती भुमिका घेतिल्ली आसा when they are not able to talk on the subject which we had raised. I had told about this thing and I was expecting a immediate action from the Chief Minister, who always is talking about zero tolerance to corruption. But this is a classic case where the Chief Minister is not even, now the government has reverted back on this case, for which I thought it is deemed fit to represent it officially by a proper file. So the file with all details, including all the information that was received regarding this particular misappropriation of funds and the scam with Churchill Brothers and Churchill Brothers involved, तो आज Chief Secretary कडे दिल्ले आसा. That representation दिवपाक आयिल्लो with a request that immediate action be taken, that there are apprehensions that another 1 crore is being supposed to be given by May 8th by SAG in a time when we all are running. आमचे डेव्हलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स बंद जाल्ले आसा, कामां बंद जाल्लीं आसा, रस्त्याची कामां कमी जाल्लीं आसा आनी ऑस्टेरिटी मेजर्स सरकार स्वता उलयता. ह्या उलयता आसतना फुडले पयशे पयले न दिवप आनी फाटले पयशे परत रिकवर करप ही भुमिका सरकारान घेतली. वील ऑल्सो हेल्प अ लॉंग वे टू एन्श्योर दॅट अ कोवीड रिलीफ फंडाकूय पयशे मेळटले इफ दीस मनी कम्स बॅक. सो जे पयशे स्वता खातीर सरकारा कडल्यान घेवन वापरिल्ले आसा फुटबॉलाच्या नांवान, ते म्हाका दिसता सरकारान हक्कान परत घेवंक जाय एंड नीड्स टू एक्ट अगेन्स्ट ऑल द ऑफिशियल्स who have connived in this particular illegality. So here representation of Chief Secretary Dila with a request to immediately act, ensure that no further disbursement is given and ensure that action is taken on this whole case at the earliest, which is fit as a criminal case which has forgery and fraudulency totally being exposed.
Any assurance are given by the Chief Secretary?
No, I have explained to him what the whole subject is about. I think he'll need to study the file with all the notings and everything what is required. I have submitted it. Now it is for the government and the Chief Secretary to proceed and move it ahead for action.
So basically you are saying the fund should be stopped.
फंड फुडलो दिवंक सोदता वचून जेन्ना हे कंपनीत ना हेच पयशे कशे दिले तो प्रश्न आसा, फुडले कशे दितलो पयशे आनी तातूंत ते दिवंक सोदता. SAG or the government is trying to give this money, another 1 crore, to please a MLA who's for supporting, which is not done. When today the taxpayers' money is to be used for all development projects and government is saying आमकां economically tourism बंद पडला, mining बंद पडला, आमचे कडेन पयशे ना, जाल्यार जे पयशे आसा ते डेव्हलपमेंट खंय प्रॉब्लेम आसा, आमकां आतां उदकाचो प्रॉब्लेम आसा, लायटीचो प्रॉब्लेम आसा, रस्त्याचे प्रॉब्लेम आसा. आय थिंक फंड शूड बी युटिलायज जुडिशियसली वॉट एवर इज अवेलेबल when the economy is down. We can't use it for sports and to people. It's a private limited company. Very importantly, private limited government दिवंक शकता पयशे अशेंच, तर तो एक प्रश्न आसा. So there are many questions which will come in the tune. I have asked Chief Secretary to investigate, so maybe he'll take a couple of days to revert back. I will follow up this particular case.
रोहन बाब, तो ऑलरेडी आणि तो GFAचा प्रेसिडेंट आहात तेन्ना तुम्ही ताका म्हणटा की सरकारान इन्वॉल्व जावचें म्हणून.
GFA is not a Goa Football Association, is separate. It's a separate body.
बट तितून फंड गव्हर्मेंटाचो वयता न्हू, गव्हर्मेंट फंडींग जाता न्हू ताका. सो आनी तो प्रेसिडेंट
GFA is a Goa Football Association which takes care of football throughout the state. I don't want to talk on that. फुटबॉलाक सपोर्ट मेळचो, फुटबॉलाक सपोर्ट मेळचो, सगळ्या स्पोर्ट्सांक सपोर्ट मेळचे. स्पोर्ट्स बिंग अ स्पोर्ट्समॅन म्हजी मागणी आसा, पूण हो वेळ कित्याक प्रायोरिटी दिवपाची ती ताजेर प्रश्न आसा. आनी स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंटाचो बाबू आसगांवकर आसा, सो तोय कनायवंचन आसा जाल्यार कळटलो ते दिवपाक की फाटले जशे दिले फुडले दिवंक सोदता काय म्हणून. की बाबू आसगांवकर सडनली स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रिंसिपल्स, सो ही नीड्स टू नो वेर ही स्टँड्स ऑल्सो.
So what about the 30% commission you saying?
Babu is the, Babu and his own colleague MLA have had these allegations against each other of 30%. So I don't know whether this Churchill Brothers thing also has 30% in it.